Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to sort a table in Word in alphabetical order or from largest to smallest if you have data that are in numbers and not words. So I have a very simple table here, and what I really want is to sort the fruit column from A to Z. I want banana to go first and watermelon to go last in the list. Now, some of you might think that we would need to copy the table to Excel and then sort it there. But there's no need because we can do it right here in Word. Okay, here's how you do it. First, we need to tell Word which column we want to arrange in alphabetical order. So select the whole fruit column and you can just move your mouse cursor to just outside the column until you see a down arrow and then click. The whole column will be selected. Now go to Layout, Sort, and that could open the Sort dialog box. Notice that there are two options here, ascending and descending. Ascending will sort the text from A to Z, while descending will sort the text in the reverse order from Z to A. Click OK and now see what happens. Well, the entire column is sorted in alphabetical order, but it is not what we want because the fruit is a header and we don't want it to be sorted. So don't worry, let's undo this. Go to Layout, Sort, and select this option, My list has header row, and press OK. Now you can see that the second column is sorted from A to Z, while the header is still intact, which is exactly what we want. Now, suppose we want to sort by total sales instead of fruit name. So we want the best-selling fruit, in this case pineapple, to go first, followed by lychee and etc. So let's select the third column. Go to Layout, Sort, and here we will need to make sure that we select the descending order so that it will display all the sales value from largest to smallest. And again, select My list has header row to make sure that sales will appear on top of the list. Click OK, and we're done. And that's it. Happy learning and see you in the next video.